Hello my dear students, this video is for standard 7 and I want to ask you a question. The question is, why do we wear different type of clothes in different seasons? Do you have any answer? Yes, of course you have. You have the answer that in different seasons the atmospheric temperature is different. We feel cold or we feel hot during different seasons, and hence according to that conditions, that temperature condition, remember the word here used, the temperature condition. Due to this temperature condition we use different type of clothes, okay, and we love to have different type of drinks. Like in summer season we take beverages like Sprite, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, etc. We love to take some ice cream in summer. We love to wear only cotton clothes, and usually those which are made up of light colors only. So the factor which is responsible for these is this heat and the temperature. Before we start the chapter, there is a need to understand that what are we going to understand in this chapter and what will be your learning outcomes after completing this chapter. Okay, so let us come to the topic, which is temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of coldness or degree of hotness. How hot or cold is something is measured by in terms of temperature, and it is measured in different scales devised by different scientists. The one is Celsius scale. It was developed by Anders Celsius. The another scale is Fahrenheit scale, which was developed by Gabriel Fahrenheit, and the other is Kelvin scale. There are three different scales, and more informations will be given in the next videos. So these different scales are used to measure temperature, and these scales are interconvertible as well. Means Celsius scale, a value on Celsius scale can be converted into a value of Fahrenheit scale as well as in Kelvin scale. Okay, so this we shall be continuing in the next videos. Now, how are these measuring scales obtained? Means there should be some device through which we measure temperature in these scales. Yes, of course. We have different kind of thermometers. Thermometers means the device which is used to measure temperature. We have different kind of thermometers: clinical thermometer, digital thermometer, and laboratory thermometer. They have their different uses at different places for different values also. Okay. Now let us come to the another important topic of the chapter, and that is heat. In this chapter we have to understand about heat. What are the units in which heat is measured, like calorimeter, joule. Okay. And we have to understand about the effects caused by heat in our daily life. How are different changes obtained in our day-to-day life. Now this heat is a form of energy. You will come to know that what kind of energy it is and how is it transferred. You should know that any kind of energy is transferred from one body to another body. So heat is also a form of energy, and it is transferred from one to another depending upon some certain criteria. Here we have to understand about the different methods or modes of transfer of heat from one body to another body. The three modes are named as conduction, convection, and radiation. In this chapter you have to learn about these three processes as well as their applications also. Is it clear? And after understanding the different processes of heat transfer, you will come to know about a specific instrument which is used for storing water or different kind of liquids to keep it at a constant temperature. Means if you fill it with cold water, cold liquid, it remains cold for a longer period of time, and if it is poured with hot water or hot liquid, the liquid remains hot for a long time. So what kind of instrument is this? How does it work? What is its construction? That we have to understand in this construction and working procedure of a thermos flask. That device is now named as thermos flask. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.